are so sweet today. Look at this one.
I know, they love the attention. We have the best job.
Okay there, big fella. Just checking your side here. Everything feels nice and healthy. You're doing great.
All right, boy, easy now. Just a quick one. There we go, all done.
Easy now, big fella. Let's see what these results say. You're doing very well.
Clear the pallet over there. Watch the steam on the left. Don't breathe this stuff in too deep. Tell me about it. Almost done with this section.
Bay 3, approaching with the hide shipment. Over.
Watch the pressure here. We run it through twice to make sure all the water is out before it hits the conveyor.
Okay, drop it now. Got it. Watch the steam.
We've got some serious grain damage right here.
I'm marking it now. This whole side is rough.
Okay, note the scarring as well. Quality check on this one. The die took well, very vibrant. The texture is smooth, should pass inspection.
Slow down slightly on the curve there. We need a uniform thickness of 2 millimeters. Keep it steady now, don't spill anymore.
All right, I'm watching it. Should I slow the drum?
No, keep it rotating.
Look at all this dust. I swear, these things get dirtier every time. Almost done with this batch, though.
Make sure this side is tight. The heat is intense today.
Got it. Looks good now, let's grab the next one.
So you start the arc here, making sure the chalk stays perpendicular to the edge. Then you bring it around smoothly until the lines meet.
The thickness is exactly 2.54 millimeters. It is perfectly consistent with the specifications.
So if we rotate it here, you can see the grain of the leather. I'll just refine this seam right here.
We align the pattern like this, then carefully place the weights, starting with the corners. This holds the leather flat for a precise cut.
You want to make sure you follow the silver line exactly, applying even pressure as you go around the curve.
Hey, watch where you're throwing those. Sorry, man, trying to beat your record.
Make sure the stitching is straight on these.
Yep, I've got it. How many left for today?
This old girl handles the thick stuff well. See how the needle pierces the center of the braid every time. That's the secret to a strong seam.
Keep it straight now. The key to a good pocket is a steady hand and the right machine. There we go, nice and tight.
You want to keep the tension even right here, especially with this heavy gauge thread.
We need to finish these blue ones before the next shift starts.
The key is smoothing the fabric completely flat before stitching. Any wrinkle will show in the final product.
And that's how you secure the seam. Make sure you backstitch right at the edge before trimming the thread.
Make sure the seam allowance is consistent around the curve. This machine handles the heavy leather well.
You have to keep the tension just right when you hit the curve, otherwise the decorative stitch won't lay flat on the pebbled leather.
Make sure the die is set correctly. Pull the lever down firm, that means it's secure. Always double check the attachment.
You have to be gentle with the mallet, otherwise you might stretch the leather too much. This flattens the seam nicely.
Just a little more here. Clean edges are essential for the final inspection.
You want to use firm, circular motions to really work the polish deep into the grain. See the difference it makes?
Chest circumference is 42 inches. Length is 25.5. Okay, noted.
Okay, so we take the Breaky tag here, make sure it's aligned. Then we use the gun, one click for the brand. Then the size tag right next to it.
Then we fold the sleeves neatly inward, like this. This is the new blue suede model. We make sure the presentation is perfect before it ships out.
Yeah, I'm heading over to aisle 7 now with the donkey leather jacket shipment. Should be there in about 2 minutes.
Make sure these are all marked correctly before they go down the line. We need this shipment out by noon.
The dark brown.
Yes, but the zipper needs to be heavier, like this sample.
And move this seam detail up slightly.
See, you push it straight through the eye, then pull it tight under the foot.
When sewing the zipper onto the leather, precision is key. Make sure the button is secure right here before you finalize the seam.
See how the thread locks right here? You want to maintain even tension.
Okay, I think I've got it. Let me try the next one.
That's it, nice and steady. This is one of the premium jackets. See how the tape seals completely across the center?
Align the label right here, push the needle through the leather, and then squeeze the trigger firmly. See, it holds tight.
This new leather jacket just arrived. It's incredibly soft and the quality is amazing.
Finally, I thought this day would never end. I'm starving. Who's coming for dinner? Count me in. Let me just punch out.
Look how soft this is. It feels expensive, the stitching is perfect.
Oh yeah, this feels really good. The fit is perfect. I think I'll take it.